Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to crochet a hamburger keychain. It doesn't even take an hour. It's a very cute and inexpensive keychain. Both boys and girls can use it. I think it's the best gift for your friends. So now let's get started. First, you will make this piece. This is all are the same pattern. Now let's start making the bread. Hold the thread. And then make a magic ring. Make a ring like this. Insert your hook under the loose. Make a chain one. And then make a single crochet. Insert your hook into the magic ring. Pull the yarn over and pull through to two loops. Insert your hook into the magic ring. Pull the yarn over and pull through two loops. You will have to make a total of 6 single crochet. 4, 5, 6. After 6 single crochet, put the tail of the magic ring. You will get like this and join with slip stitch. Insert your hook into the first single crochet. It is tight, make a hole with a needle. Insert the hook. Pull the yarn. Pull through the loop. Make a round one. For round 2, make a chain one. And then make a single crochet. Insert your hook into the first single crochet. Pull the yarn over and pull through the two loops. You will have to make increase stitch in every stitch. Put a stitch marker and that stitch, so you will not lose the start point. Now I make the second stitch in the same space. And also make an increase stitch into the next stitch, so you will have to make 2 single crochets together in every stitch. When you reach the start point, you will get a total of 12 single crochet. When you finish round 2, remove the stitch marker and join with slip stitch. For round 3, make a chain 1 and 1 single crochet and put a stitch marker. And that stitch and make an increase stitch, first single crochet and second single crochet in the same space. You will have to repeat this pattern, which is 1 single crochet and increase stitch into the next stitch. So here I made 1 single crochet again and then an increase stitch to the next stitch. Repeat this pattern until you reach this stitch marker and you will get a total of 80 single crochets. 1 single crochet and increase stitch into the next stitch, 1 single crochet and increase stitch, 1 2 same space, and 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet into the same space. Now remove the stitch marker and join with slip stitch. You will get a round 3. For round 4, chain 1 and make single crochet. Put a stitch marker for that stitch. Make a single crochet for 2 times. Now I will make the second one in the second stitch. After that, make an increase stitch into the third stitch. 1. So for this pattern for round 4, you will have to repeat making 2 single crochets and increase stitch into the third stitch. You will have to repeat this pattern until you reach the step 1 and you will get a total of 24 stitches. Remember to make an increase stitch in every third stitch. One single crochet and 2 single crochet and increase stitch, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet and increase stitch in the next space. First single crochet, second single crochet and increase stitch, and remove the stitch marker, join with slip stitch and cut the yarn. Leave a long tail for to hide the tail. Finish the bread. Now let's start by making lattice. The pattern is the same as the bread from round 1 to round 3. I use the green yarn and make the ring. Insert the hole, pull the yarn and make a chain 1. You will have to make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. 2 3 4 5 6. After 6 single crochet, put the tail of the magic ring. You will get like this and join with slip stitch. Insert your hook into the first single crochet and make a slip stitch. For round 2, make a chain 1 and increase stitch in every stitch. Put a stitch marker under stitch. I made the second stitch in the same space and also make an increase stitch into the next stitch, so you will have to make 2 single crochet together in every stitch, and when you reach the step 1 you will get a total of 12 single crochet. When you finish round 2, remove the stitch marker and join with slip stitch. For round 3, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet and put a stitch marker and that stitch and increase stitch into the next stitch. 1 single crochet and increase stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern until you reach this stitch marker and you will get a total of 80 single crochets. Remove the stitch marker and join with slip stitch. For round 4, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet and put the stitch marker again. And second single crochet. Now 1 single crochet, make 2 chain and 1 single crochet in the same space. And repeat the pattern. First single crochet, second single crochet, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the same space, first single crochet, second single crochet, the third stitch, 1 single crochet, chain 2 and 1 2 and second single crochet into the same space. Repeat the pattern, you will get a total of 24 stitches. Remember to make an increase stitch in every third stitch. Chain 2, single crochet in the same space, chain 1, one single crochet, 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet, chain 2 and 1 single crochet in the same space. When you reach the step 1, remove the stitch marker and join with slip stitch. And cut the yarn, leave a long tail for to hide the tail. You will have to make these pieces: 2 bread, 2 tomato, 1 meat, and 2 lettuce. I will make a string to attach the key. Make a slip knot and you will have to make a total of 45 chains. If you want more line, you can make more chain. Now, leave a long tail for threading. have finished making the hamburger keychain, and this is the first video made in English voice, so please forgive me if there are any pronunciation mistakes. I will take care of the next video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. အင်စာလေးတွေလာပြချင်တယ်ဆိုရင် Rezel Crochet Facebook page မှာလည်းလာပြလို့ရလို့ Rezel Crochet ရှိတိုးနည်းပညာဒါန GB မှာလည်းလာပြလို့ရပါတယ်ပျော်စရာကောင်းတဲ့နေ့လေးဖြစ်ပါစေအားလုံးပဲတတနောက်ဗီဒီယိုပုံမှာပြန်တွေ့ပါမယ်နော်